my friends, this is JUFU factory. Are you still looking for the stainless steel toolbox handle latch lock? This one is applicable to the door finish 1 to 6 mm. The design of the door lock presents a simple and sophisticated design. The design of the door lock presents a simple and sophisticated style. The lock body adopts a rectangular design with smooth lines, showing a sense of modernity. The round knob and keyholes set at the top are well laid out for easy operation. The design of the knob adds an extra security feature, such as it requires a specific spinning method and force to open it, increasing the anti-picking function. We are JUFU factory. If you like this toolbox handle latch lock, please contact us and get samples.